丰富，丰富。
Rich. Extensive. Enrich.
Rich. Extensive. Enrich.
今天的晚餐很丰富。今天的晚餐很丰富。
Today's dinner was very rich.
Today's dinner was very rich.
这座小岛有丰富的矿产资源。这座小岛有丰富的矿产资源。
This island is rich in mineral resources.
This island is rich in mineral resources.
他从事这一行业数十年，拥有丰富的经验。他从事这一行业数十年，拥有丰富的经验。
He has been in this business for decades and has extensive experience.
He has been in this business for decades and has extensive experience.
多读课外书可以丰富你的词汇量。多读课外书可以丰富你的词汇量。
Reading more extracurricular books can enrich your vocabulary.
Reading more extracurricular books can enrich your vocabulary.
无聊，无聊。
Boring.
Boring.
如果每天无所事事，生活一定很无聊。如果每天无所事事，生活一定很无聊。
Life must be boring if there is nothing to do every day.
Life must be boring if there is nothing to do every day.
每天做着重复的工作，他感到无聊极了。每天做着重复的工作，他感到无聊极了。
He felt extremely bored doing repetitive tasks every day.
He felt extremely bored doing repetitive tasks every day.
当生活感到无聊时，你可以培养其他兴趣爱好。当生活感到无聊时，你可以培养其他兴趣爱好。
When life gets boring, you can develop other interests.
When life gets boring, you can develop other interests.
人生如果没有目标、没有计划、没有方向，生活就会变得很无聊。人生如果没有目标、没有计划、没有方向，生活就会变得很无聊。
If there is no goal, no plan, and no direction in life, life will become boring.
If there is no goal, no plan, and no direction in life, life will become boring.
讨厌，讨厌。
Dislike. Hate.
Dislike. Hate.
他讨厌吃药，因为药很苦。他讨厌吃药，因为药很苦。
She hates taking medicine because it is very bitter.
She hates taking medicine because it is very bitter.
他特别讨厌去吵闹的地方。他特别讨厌去吵闹的地方。
She especially hates going to noisy places.
She especially hates going to noisy places.
他不良的生活习惯让人讨厌。他不良的生活习惯让人讨厌。
His bad habits are annoying.
His bad habits are annoying.
却
But. Yet.
But. Yet.
我已经劝他多次了，但他却不听。我已经劝他多次了，但他却不听。
I've tried to persuade him many times, but he won't listen.
I've tried to persuade him many times, but he won't listen.
我给他打了很多电话，他却没有任何回应。我给他打了很多电话，他却没有任何回应。
I called her many times, and she didn't respond.
I called her many times, and she didn't respond.
虽然获得了第3名，但他却很开心。虽然获得了第3名，但他却很开心。
Although he finished third, he was very happy.
Although he finished third, he was very happy.
他生病了，却不愿意吃药。他生病了，却不愿意吃药。
He was sick but refused to take medicine.
He was sick but refused to take medicine.
周围，周围。
Surrounding.
Surrounding.
他很有幽默感，给周围的人带来欢乐。他很有幽默感，给周围的人带来欢乐。
He had a great sense of humor and brought joy to those around him.
He had a great sense of humor and brought joy to those around him.
我喜欢住在这里，因为周围的环境很安静。我喜欢住在这里，因为周围的环境很安静。
I like staying here because the surrounding environment is very quiet.
I like staying here because the surrounding environment is very quiet.
这里交通方便，离机场近，而且周围风景很不错。这里交通方便，离机场近，而且周围风景很不错。
The transportation here is convenient, close to the airport and the surrounding scenery is very nice.
The transportation here is convenient, close to the airport and the surrounding scenery is very nice.
交流，交流。
Communicate. Exchange.
Communicate. Exchange.
我们要和周围的人交流，改善人际关系。我们要和周围的人交流，改善人际关系。
We need to communicate with the people around us and improve our interpersonal relationships.
We need to communicate with the people around us and improve our interpersonal relationships.
我们应该经常和家人交流，多关心他们。我们应该经常和家人交流，多关心他们。
We should communicate with our families often and care more about them.
We should communicate with our families often and care more about them.
参加学术交流可以增长知识，分享经验，相互了解。参加学术交流可以增长知识，分享经验，相互了解。
Participating in academic exchanges can increase knowledge, share experiences and understand each other.
Participating in academic exchanges can increase knowledge, share experiences and understand each other.
谢谢观看。